Hey friends! Now this stained glass Christmas embroidery project is perfect for the holiday season. With beautiful colors and a striking puff stuff border, this piece will add a touch of holiday magic to any home. Whether you're an embroidery pro or a beginner, you can easily create your own by following our step-by-step tutorial. So grab your favorite cozy beverage and get comfy, and let's start stitching. Start by hooping your patch perfect stabilizer and secure it firmly with T-pins to ensure it stays in place. Next, we're going to place the magic sparkle sheet over the hoop stabilizer. Use masking tape to secure it around the edges, making sure that it keeps laying flat and smooth. Next, we're going to place the hoop in your embroidery machine and run the design. And make sure here you stop the machine before the final color starts to stitch out. We're going to remove the hoop from the machine and carefully tear away the excess magic sparkle sheet around your design. Now, place a piece of puff stuff over the design and you're going to want to secure with masking tape to keep it in place. Next, we're going to put the hoop back into the machine and run the final color of the design, and this will stitch the puff stuff into your design and give you that really cool raised effect. Remove the hoop from the machine and take the design out of the hoop. Tear away the excess patch perfect stabilizer from the back of the design. Remove any puff stuff, save any of these little pieces you have and put them in a baggie because you can definitely use them for a future project. We're going to want to wash away the puff stuff from the design under warm water. You can even just stick it in a bowl. Use a soft brush. I'm just using one of my kids' old toothbrushes and gently removing any excess puff stuff from any of the little tight corners. Let your design dry on a flat surface, and once it's dry, your beautiful festive stained glass decoration is ready to be displayed. We hope you've enjoyed creating these gorgeous holiday decorations with us, and don't forget to check out our embroidery puff stuff to add extra dimension and texture to any of your embroidery projects. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below with any projects you'd like to see next. Happy stitching!